Welcome to Dynamic Design Creation. If you have ever wanted to master Civil 3D but didn't know where to start, I have got great news for you. We have launching a 25 days Civil 3D training course that will take you from a beginner to pro step by step. Whether you are a civil engineer, designer, student, or professional, this course will give you the skills you need to create top-notch designs, surfaces, roads, and site plans with confidence. Before starting the introduction of our course, we should know why Civil 3D. Why Civil 3D we are using? Because it has the advanced AutoCAD interface like this. This from here it is the AutoCAD interface, and and this is the advanced Civil 3D tools are there, and it has dynamic objects, of course, and complete infrastructure design will document with documentation we can do here. It is based on IM technology also. And who can use Civil 3D? Civil engineers, of course, architects and master planners, documents. For document, if you want to drafting, you want to use this interface as a drafting, you go there and select here drafting and annotation. Simply. If you want again the Civil 3D, click Civil 3D. And CAD technicians, they can use the Civil 3D, and Civil 3D designers, and the most important for the surveyors. And what are the advantages of Civil 3D? It optimizes the rework and reduce 25% of working time and reduce human errors because it has the dynamic objects. If you are if we edit something in our surface, then it automatically affects on the profile also, like this. And what types of work we can do in Civil 3D? Highway designing, railway designing, airport runway design, waterways, canals, hyperloop, which is upcoming projects are there, hyperloop, drainage design, pipe network design, gradation plan, earthwork calculation, material quantity takeoff, surface analysis, surface water flow. Now we will go for our course. This is our 25 days advanced Civil 3D course syllabus. This is our syllabus. Okay. The duration will be 25 days and the daily session 1 hour, and you can enroll online or offline, whichever you want. You need to shoot a mail to us on trainings@dynamicengineers.com, where you can get more information about this course. In week 1, we will go for fundamentals, refreshers, and advanced setups, like our Civil 3D interface, what kind of tasks are there, and this tool space, and grading optimization points, where we can import our points, surfaces, parcels, feature line grading, alignments, profile, corridor, gate design, profile and section views we can create here from here. And this is our AutoCAD tools. And we have shortcuts are here in Civil 3D. This is, if you want our assembly here, just click Control and 3. This kind of shortcuts are there. We will learn in our course. And the shortcuts and tool palettes. This is our tool palettes, tool space. where if you want to create a surface, it will show here, and here we can suppose we are going to create a surface. We have here a PNZD file. PNZD. We will create a group here. It will take some time. There are so many points are there. Just double tap. Okay. This is our points. We want to create a surface. Create surface. Suppose it is our EG surface. Simply we will add these points in our surface. The group one. Okay. Okay. This is our surface. You want to check this one. Simply go to the EG, select object viewer. This is our surface which we have created. The template creation management. The second day we will go for working with styles and settings, surface alignments and profiles, data management, importing, exporting drawings. This is our import task. Okay, this is our output. We can extract here any drawing which we have created in Civil 3D, and we can import any objects in any files in our Civil 3D from here. Insert. In the day 3, surface advanced techniques, create composite surface. Like if you want to create any other surfaces, we can create here any other surfaces. Like if you want a surface which will be down to our EG, like 300 mm, and then we can create that one also here. Using surface masking editing techniques, surface analysis, slope, elevation, watershed and volume calculation. We can go here, simply analyze tool, and where here we can analyze the volumes of our surface. In the day 4, volume calculation and the artwork. And suppose this is our area, and we are doing land development here. If we want artwork calculation, simply we will go here and select our surfaces from where we want to calculate our volume. Simply we will calculate. And in this course, we will learn advanced cut and fill tag calculations, artwork balancing and optimization. Artwork balancing means the cut and fill should be equal, and surface interactions, existing versus proposed, which will object in our profile. Working with the data shortcut and reference. The data shortcut, we will learn about the data shortcut in this course, and the XREF also. These are the advanced tools which we can use in Civil 3D, like data shortcut. The XREF is we can use in AutoCAD also, but the advanced here is data shortcut in Civil 3D. In the second week, we will go for alignments and profile. We can create alignment, creating alignment from existing geometry. Like if you have any polyline here, from this polyline you can create alignment. This is our alignment. Create alignment from object. Select, enter. Go reverse. Okay. Give the alignment name here. Okay. You can create alignment from objects or any geometry. Advanced labeling techniques, like this is our labels. We can change the label settings here. Edit alignment labels. We can add any labels here, like super elevation, critical points, design speed, or profile geometry points. There are so many labels are there. We can add this one in this our alignment. And day 7 we will go for profile advanced techniques. If you want any profile here, we can create that one also. Suppose we are going to create a profile here. We will select the alignment and select the surface which we have already added here. Draw in the profile view. Simply click here. This is our profile. Okay, this is our edge surface. These are our points. Editing and fine-tuning profile design. Profile design we can do here, like this one. Select the profile. Profile creation tools. Proposed one. We will create a proposed design. Draw tangent. This is our proposed one. Enter. This is our, give the label to this one. Edit label. Import. Basic India. Okay. Apply and OK. This is our label here. Corridor modeling, corridor model fundamentals. We'll go through this all, creating assemblies and sub-assemblies. If you want any assemblies here, you simply go to the tool palettes, or we can use the shortcut Control 3. This is our assemblies. IRC assemblies are there. If you want any assembly to in our drawing, create assembly and giving the name of assembly 1 here. Click where you want our assembly. Simply click the assembly. This is our assembly, which we can design here on this alignment. And we will go for also the corridor surfaces, the bottom surface, datum surface, daylight surface, corridor modeling, targeting alignment, surfaces and feature lines, and working with multiple corridor in one project, corridor intersections. Suppose this is our road, a simple road here, and this is our intersection. We can create an intersection in Civil 3D, which we can learn in our course. And junctions also we will do. In a third week we will go for design and grading. For the grading, we will use the manual grading. We will not go for this one, grading optimization. In this code, intersections, where the FGL and EG intersects, and creating and editing intersection objects, and using advanced intersection design tools, uh, creating the feature line for the grading objects. Simply we are going to create a feature line here. This is our 200 tab, 100, the rectangle here. From this rectangle, click here feature line, and go to the create feature line from object. Select the object, enter. OK. See the elevation here, 93, and elevation 100, 100 is 0 elevation. That's why I am changing this one. It should be near to our surface. This is our feature line. Creating and editing grading objects, you will learn in this project, in this course. We can create grading groups here. These are sites. Suppose we have a huge area, and there are so many plants are there, like zone 1, zone 2, zone 3, zone 4. For separate zones, we can create here separate grading groups, the new one. Okay, like grading group 1, grading group 2, or we can give the name here also. Grading for complex sites and commercial developments. Yes, volume calculation for grading objects. We can check the volumes of the cut and fill and PCC from our analyze task bar. In the 14th day, we will go for grading for retention ponds, advanced drainage and stormwater management, pond volume analysis and calculations. And day 15, earthwork modeling and advanced earthwork techniques. Okay. Using surfaces and grading tools for accurate earthwork quantities. Earthwork quantities is nothing but it is a cut and fill volume, and earthwork reports and calculations. From here we can get our report for earthworks. In week 4, we will go for pipe and utilities. In this one, advanced pipe networks creation, pipe sizing and network analysis, working with parts list and pipe catalogs. This is our gravity system. Simply, this is pipe network. From object we can create also here, and normally here also network 1. Okay. We have not added here any our pipes and structure, that's why it is not coming. The pressure pipe network also we can do here in Civil 3D, like advanced pressure pipe network design, working with fitting and appurtenance, pressure pipe analysis and report also we can create here, and utility conflict analysis. identifying and resolving utility conflicts, and clash detection using pipe networks and corridors. Suppose a corridor is running and the pipe network is also running, it has a more chances that it will clash. They will clash with each other. That's why we need to do as a clash free. Customize utility styles for better visibility. We will do this one also in this our course. Plan production and sheet sets. Uh, The automating plan production using the sheet sets. From here, in the output, this is our plan production. Here we can create the sheets like profiles or the profile and the plans. The sheets will create here in our layout. Creating a cross section and profile for construction plans. Okay, this one we can do this from here. Profile and section views. And best practice for managing large plan sets. Also, we can do. We will do in this course. VIM integration and data export. Integrating Civil 3D models with VIM, Navisworks, Revit. Yes, we can do this one also in our course. We can extract our Civil 3D model to Navisworks, and we can extract a Civil 3D, and we can import in the Revit also. And Civil 3D, we will learn the Civil 3D roles in VIM workflow also. Course in the day 2021 course review and final project presentation. We will go for a recap of key concepts and tools, presenting a complete project from surface to plan production. Question and answer session and next steps. We will give you the last opportunity to ask a question, and we will give the answer to you. What kind of doubts you have at the end. And this is our bonus in this course, like interview preparation and practices. We will prepare you for the interview also. This kind of questions, how can we answer this all questions? We will prepare this one also. Mock interview practice also. Role play sessions based on common industry scenarios, feedback and performance improvement tips. We will take from you that what kind of improvement we can do in our course, and what kind of feedback you have to give us. Thank you for watching this video.